Hey everyone, in this video, we're gonna go over cleaning your mat.
You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Okay, now let's go over cleaning the mat. I don't know if you can see, this was only cutting one time, so it's not that big of a deal. But they say when you're cutting wood, it's even more than this. This has just little fibers. Well, actually, I'm not even gonna worry about those. I will just use this mat for my knife blade using wood and things. Now, when you're cutting wood, it is cutting wood. So you have sawdust. Should we call it knife blade dust? It's not really sawdust. So like where all the cuts are, you might have actual dust when you're cutting wood. So they say use it a few times, maybe 3 or 4 times, and then you're gonna have to wash your mat. Do not scrape the sawdust off the mat, because what that does is it just blends that dust in with the rest of the adhesive on the mat, and your mat will not last as long. So when you have a lot of dust in the cuts, what you do is you take it to the sink and you use up to lukewarm water, not too warm of water, just lukewarm water or cool water, and use just a little bit of a scrubby. When I clean my mats, I just use my fingers and it cleans them great. So I would just start with your fingers just to clean it off. Just pick the big pieces up. And like I said, I'm not gonna worry about the little fine pieces. These little fine pieces, they're not gonna bother anything. Maybe unless I was trying to cut paper. But I'm gonna save this mat for mat board or wood. So it's gonna be fine. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. I try to answer every single question. And remember, every Saturday morning at 11 a.m. Eastern Time, I do a live Design Space class. It's on this channel and it's free to everyone subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, click that subscribe button. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.